What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Mr. Fun Computer from Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a curve for the top edge of the hat brim. So we're going to start on the left side. Let's bend this up, go across, and then down towards the right. Now on the ends we're going to work our way across the side. So we're going to bend this out and then down, go to the right and draw that same curve. And then we'll round out the bottom, going up and then down. Let's go to the top right corner, draw a straight line going out. Now I want to draw a large half circle for the top of the hat. We're going to go up, go across toward the left, and then bring that down on the top left side. Let's add 3 panels across the top of the hat. We're going to start in the center. We're going to bend this out and down toward the left, go back to the center, go out, and then down towards the right. Let's add in that pinwheel. We're going to start with 2 lines going up, and then we'll flatten off the top. Let's move to the center, draw a straight line going across, and we'll add those 2 propellers. Let's start on the left side, angle this up, curve the end, and then come straight in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now with the hat in place, let's draw a large square for the head with rounded corners. We're going to start underneath the hat brim on the left side, go straight down to right about there. Let's go to the top corner of the hat. We're just going to round out the head and come down, and then bring that down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom corners, go straight across, and then round out the right side. Now I want to trace the head along the inside. So let's start on the top left, step in. Just going to round this out, come straight down, round out the bottom corner, and then work our way across towards the right. Let's go inside the head and draw 2 circles for the eyes. So we're going to start with the one on the left, going all the way around, and then up. Let's line this up on the right side. Now let's move to the center, draw a straight line going across, and it'll come down and in towards the center point. Let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the head, going around the eyes and the mouth. Now we're going to move to the center and draw 2 straight lines coming down, one on the left, then one on the right. And we'll draw a straight line going across the bottom. Draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the base. I'm just going to close off the bottom with another straight line. Let's layer the tabletop in behind the base. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going out. And you want to draw that same length line over on the right. Let's flatten off the ends, coming down, and go straight across from left to right. Let's add in the legs. From the bottom corners of the tabletop, we'll step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom, and then go straight up towards the top. Let's add that thick cable coming down, starting from the top, draw a curve coming in, and then back down, step over, draw that same curve, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's fill the inside of that cable black, And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Fun Computer from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.